8 proven income ideas to make money in 2022. Are you able to get rich without lifting a finger? You can get closer to your ideal lifestyle with these passive income ideas. But first, you need to assess your skills, think practically about your abilities and how you may put them to use for the greater good, and do so without expecting to be physically present or to labor constantly. Now, let's start with our list. On number 8, we have becoming a silent business partner. If you have always wanted to run your own business, but didn't have the time and knowledge to do so, you may want to explore joining an existing company as a silent partner. This means that you are a financial contributor to the business, but that you let your partner run it day to day. Your investment will be rewarded with a share of the company's future revenues and a proportional ownership stake in the business. But is your friend's business concept too risky for you to back? There are some online resources available to anyone seeking a silent business partner. Number 7. Buying and selling residential or commercial property. One of the oldest and most reliable strategies to generate passive income is to purchase investment properties and collect rent monthly. Not only that, but the value of your home will rise over time. Now, buying a house to rent out is not very accessible to most people because it typically requires a lot of capital to start, a lot of work, and headaches, maintenance, renovations, finding tenants, and you have to think about all the risks that are involved. That is especially true if you put a significant portion of your financial resources into a single piece of real estate. Therefore, it can be interesting for many people to invest in real estate through new innovative platforms like BRXS if you are in the States, but there are similar platforms where you live. Now here, through these platforms, you can start with smaller amounts and spread your investments over different properties. For example, you may begin investing directly in investment properties with BRXS for as little as $100, giving you a chance to earn monthly rental income and long-term gain. Number 6. Real Estate Investment Trust. So, what if you need more capital to purchase complete residential complexes? Will you be able to make money by renting out space? In a word, yes. Real estate investment trusts allow investors to diversify their portfolios with as little as $500 and gain from the rise in the value of their holdings over time through passive income. A real estate investment trust is a business that invests in and manages income-producing properties. By pooling their resources, smaller investors may make more significant investments than they could on their own. If you have access to seed money, real estate investment trusts are one of the finest long-term investments you can make to generate passive income. But beginning a business requires not just initial funding, but also thorough planning. So it would be best if you didn't get into this venture without doing your research. Number 5. Put money into stocks. While dividends may be considered passive income, since money is deposited without having to sell an investment, the second option is not passive because there is no security and no constant distribution. Instead, you will have to sell your investment to obtain profit. In theory, it makes sense to seek dividend-paying equities. You'll find many of them, but remember that previous performance is only sometimes indicative of future results and that, in difficult economic circumstances, the firm may have no financial resources to pay a dividend. If you want to diversify your portfolio even more, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, are now dedicated to purchasing dividend equities. Bonds are another safe investment option. They are loans to businesses or governments with regular interest payments. They're relatively safe, but there's always a chance the firm may run into financial difficulties and be unable to make good on its obligations. Again, look out for the company's rating. The best rating is AAA. Number 4. Let something out on rent. Take stock of your belongings. You could be sitting on a gold mine, like a vacant room you can list on Airbnb, the vehicle you will need next month, which you can hire out on Snapcar instead, the camper you can rent out on GoBooney for 11 months of the year when you're not using it. Websites like Home Camper have allowed anybody to rent out their backyard, field, or forest to travelers needing a spot to pitch a tent or set up a camper for the night. You may have a garage box or parking spot in an area with great demand. or loads of other minor stuff like a lawnmower, projector, trailer, or pressure washer on PeerBuy. Number 3. Set up a vending machine. Have you ever wondered who stocks all of the vending machines? You're helping the owner of those machines make semi-passive cash off your unquenchable hunger and thirst. With some research, you can join the revelry as well. It's interesting to learn that the vending machine business is worth $8.6 billion. However, some investment is required to turn vending machines into a passive revenue source. This is a fantastic resource for anybody looking to set up their vending machine. You could get a good idea of how much money you will need to start by browsing online marketplaces like Craigslist, eBay, or BizBuySell, as well as how many you can afford to start. Then, once you've found suitable locations, a line of vending machines could provide a steady stream of money without effort. Number 2. Sell online courses. Now, more than ever, teachers can successfully offer their services to a global audience through digital platforms. Make pre-recorded courses on any topic like marketing, drawing, or entrepreneurship, and start making money immediately. Online courses are similar to digital products in that they may be sold several times without the need to have any stock on hand. Time must be spent preparing to teach online. Outline your course, record it, and provide students takeaways like downloadable files, like templates. Take Yegi Serian, founder of Yegi Beauty, for example. She founded Yegi Academy, an online beauty school after launching an online beauty firm offering eyelash extension products. Her online and in-person lash training courses enable aspiring beauty business owners worldwide to get their toes wet. Since your online course is pre-recorded, you can adjust the duration or content to suit a wide range of class sizes and skill levels, allowing you to generate passive revenue in several ways. For example, create entirely downloadable courses, allowing students to work at their speed, or use tools to schedule the automated distribution of lectures and materials. Teaching an online course is a fantastic option if you're looking for a method to make money on the side with little to no initial commitment beyond your time. Now, to round up our list, coming in at number 1, we have design t-shirts. Your designs may be printed on trendy t-shirts and other goods with the help of a few websites. The supplier will make the items once you've come up with designs, and you'll get a cut of the revenues anytime your products are purchased. If you're creative, you can make money off Amazon with your designs. The only thing you need to do is get started with Amazon Merch, is submitting your designs, and Amazon will handle manufacturing, sales, packaging, and shipping, which means you can sit back and enjoy your profits in peace. While having many different aspirations and ideas for generating passive income is extraordinary, it's important to remember that only some ideas are good. Even if you have seen other people make money using a specific strategy, there is no assurance that it would be successful for you, given your talents or way of living. That is why you need to look at your resources and strategize how you can create passive income using these 8 ideas. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're new to this channel, click the like button. You can also keep up with all of my videos. See you in the next one.